Now 24-hour economy no. Edasu jiremu enya asem ketu akra. Na me no ka say the deputy finance minister akasa. Na odi nkomo no wo chiremu say government to revive Akosombo and juapong textiles under the 24-hour economy. Na Akosombo textiles egu. Egu ana. Mama yehu Akosombo textiles na egu ana. Ana edaso bo. Akosombo textiles egu ana edaso ye adwuma. Juapong textiles edaso. Okay. And you know it's a good initiative, but if the government is going to see to it, say they be running 24 hours, fair enough. But at the about opia ekan say the 24-hour economy no one and one day bet me man ye adwuma no lighting and the security system. The government should see to it. The 24-hour economy is a game changer. Yes, true, very, very true. Say Ghana ni ye. Not said ye almost share ye bought in opposition. The way I almost people presented the 24-hour economy nature. They are doing it in that way. They are the 3 shift, the 8-hour system. No, in the 3 shift. No, to more yen is now 1 no more kind. Say the pabako. Obetimi aye adwuma 3 times 8 hours 8 hours no say sana omo kone dia then it is the best. And how is he going to revive the Akosombo textiles? Now we need further explanation to the 24-hour economy. I've told you now idea about what the NPP government did how a lot of their projects on the buy and now policies and now say flagship policies on the buy was communication. Now the NDC is going in that tangent. The way they promise us that they are going to communicate to us is not the same that thing that they are doing. It's a best 24-hour economy needs a lot of clarity. Now applying in our mine near Timia rally behind the government. Near Timia yama 24-hour economy na yejuma because 24-hour economy ebebuame as it stands now. Because radio anopa by 2 o'clock meko radio 6 mapon. Me po me sa ba hanum se be ye adwuma is sa anopa morning hours na won na me fanya hwe no e bia adwuma bi o bia metimi dia wa koye ansa na maba radio asa ba hanum se ba be ye adwuma no it I believe say yetimi ye ne sa ebeboa na obia so atimi anya adwuma ye and it will take away unemployment rate in a one. But the government should put in structures niema ebetimi aboa na bibia so atimi akoso ye enti eno na waka o say Thomas Ampem, Deputy Finance Minister, was a government to revive Akosombo and Juapong textiles under the 24-hour economy. 24-hour economy. Elizabeth Ofosu-Adjare, Edikaya Chirim, say a game changer, and it is going to change Ghana. And it's one of the biggest flagship policy of the National Democratic Congress, NDC, in opposition. Ghana for and only idea Ubia Eshe Nimua and Yasem Kitwa. Now, Miami MP. Madam Fubakope, Michael Ochikofi Befi Akasa. Now, I don't know a former deputy minister for trade and industry under Alan Cherematen and KT Hammond. Now, Wakasa, or a former free zone board director, or say 24-hour economy is a fraud policy. It's a fraud policy. Government should rather invest in 1D1F to promote industrialization in Ghana. Or say 24-hour economy no. Enye papa. Policy ne enye papa. Eti kono die ne nsusu yemu a. Sa 1D1F na omo MPP aban ne de ba ya omo antimi anye. Na assistance na ye nim factories ne ba bi ewo. Na ye sika kwa wuram. Na ye ntimi nkyere factory waste under 1D1F. Abandon some for Sikanko Uraho. Where is the factories to promote industrialization? Honorable Michael Ochikofi Befi. Honorable Miami Honorable. Factories, away. You gave us a sloganism. Mutudi, and you didn't build any factory. Honorable constituency. New Dublin South. It's a district. Can you show us a district that you built under the 1D1F as a trade and industry deputy trade and industry minister? Honorable, under the 1D 1F, your constituency is a district. New Gabon South Municipality. Koforidia beto musrodai. Ewramwa eko. Your friend Osabeni. Ado your friend Adjoso. And the one in Eastern region. Matana on team. Yes. You know me and you there. You know we've been there before. Mamentia wa oba kwa me Breston. Me baba ko. Or Afima or radio station. Honorable, tell me one factory I will see here. Tell me one factory under watch 8 years as a deputy minister of trade and industry. Ultimate see here our constituency. Aye, adia keke na mo de mano kan. Eduru ba bi no ka chese mo ye no private public partnership. Private public partnership no. Eduru ba bi now you are relying on private your friend say companies are factories order that mu discuss ko shemu a na mo aye na ma pe kakra dia mo no ma pe nipa kakra dia wura ho na ma ba be kire say it is under the 1D 1F. But you were deputy minister for trade and industry, and it was under the ministry of trade and industry. It is our constituency there. A deputy minister, you should have had a friend say a 1D 1F factory in your constituency. I've been in your constituency and I've worked there. You know. I've worked in your constituency. Matera Kofodia 8 good years. That is what Esibe did. The Esibe Esibe was a fine economics. My engineer rally behind you. That die. And under your watch as a trade and industry minister, they factory bear now to be see here. Deputy, want to me and see one factory in your constituency. Shut up. And let them do their 24-hour economy. Somebody and to me and ye. Let the NDC go. Don't go and affiliate your 1D1. That flop 1D 1F to the 24-hour economy. Honorable, I respect you a lot. But that 1D say who to be chairman who constituency. New Gabon South. 1D 1F I would me see I will support you. Or 1D 1F what to be a radio station I'll be here. Afima FM. Eduru ba bi kra constituency no kro omo pa tu. Omo pa tu. Nyame kromfo bre ye. Ka ekwan ho ekwan. Nyame kromfo bre nipa wu okwan no ma bridge nyina bu. Now you were not na onwene ho so obeye. We have to go on demonstration. Honorable, shut up. Ma NDC for their 24-hour economy no more diabano. Under your watch, and a 1D 1F ne ye juma. What did you do? So what to be see factory back or constituency? I'll be okay. Under 1D 1F, say factory we want me constituency. Under 1D 1F na buy ni be see ye. The one to me anya mo dia mo bi nyane de ne enko. Want me anya mumu obi ye 24-hour economy said ye can mo 1D 1F say ye o Ghana nke nyuma buye ka mu free abe unemployment rate can do 15% 15 to 16%. Mu free abemu in December na unemployment rate was 16%. Ti 1D 1F ne way ti ade no obi de ne de aba ye hwese de aba ne be ye no na aboa ye. The head of innovative finance 24-hour security Akasa. But we the NDC have never shift focus and shift system explanation. We have a nice way of capturing the 24-hour economy policy for the people to easily understand. Time must shift it. Because 24-hour economy no. Said ye na muchire opposition no. And the policy document was see aye kind no. Adane. It is more like the 1D 1F. Yaita. So one tia say dia mo kachire me wo the document of the 24-hour economy policy. When you were in opposition, when you were introducing it into your manifesto as a policy, me wo. And I mean what the policy document says, introducing it as a policy, I am familiar Juma by Gusitano. It is the same as 1D1F. The Amoka says here no is the affair na mobile basis factories, no. Affair na mobile building new no. But I just say na Moka say you are going to rely on existing factories, existing companies. Now my incentivize omo. Now omatimi run it 24 hours. It is the explanation that you gave to us in opposition is different from the explanation that you are giving to us in power. Tina man for some more shifted from the system explanation or shifting from the focus. The focus was to deliver 3 shifts in the 8 different hours for one person. Moka chese mama security. Moba fendi power security nim. Moka chese mama provide a lot of security. Moba incentivize even companies that will go on the 24-hour economy. No, moba mo special meters. Eti, you are shifting. Said the in opposition. Go back and read the document policy when you were in opposition as a manifesto promise to Ghanaians. You see, you are trying to shift, and it's more like the policy document says here now. Gushi Tando Edebaya. It's the same. There is no difference between the 1D1F and the 24-hour economy. There is no difference. Difference there are a lot of similarities. That is why among workers say no. Said the Amoka 24-hour economy nature and yes, and yes, sir, now minority is what kasa. Or say minority call for transition period before cancellation of 1D1F policy. One government decision could leave several factories hamstrung. Minority say there should be a transition period. And sana, Elizabeth said there is no 1D1F. We know under the NPP administration there was a 1D1F. Maybe they are not, the NPP, the NDC is not interested in the 1D1F again. But the majority call for there should be a proper transition. Because minimum companies be under the PPP of the 1D1F, especially Casaple, your friend is saying, this company, Casapreco. Yes, Casapreco. They were under the 1D1F. Oba Bunu region, your friend Kofobi Yedent. Now, or a company be Yedent, they were under the 1D1F. A lot of private companies were under the 1D1F. So there should be a proper transition. Samube Trem Kurana said the minority and there should be a proper transition before and there are companies they are on the 1D1F and the problem until there should be a proper transition. Yes, 1D1F no said we share bonoma. But if the government wants to take it out, now almost 24-hour economy now, there shouldn't be just a simple cancellation here. But there should be a proper transition for Ghanaians to understand. Maybe also. Exactly 43 minutes past 9.